Well, the Para Conference has been something we've done. This is our 5th one. So it's just a great opportunity to get all of our paras that are at the elementary and preschool level together and celebrate the things that they do, but also do some great staff development for the types of things that they're wanting to learn more about.
Well, I found it very exciting because my previous location, we didn't have much training. We never had like a day of para training. But here, just getting the training I need to use the skills that I need to help these children anyway, it's just great and beneficial.
I think it's a great opportunity to meet other paras, to kind of maybe brainstorm, to get some training. Like, I appreciate that they're doing it for us.
I'm always excited to learn new techniques and just, you know, brainstorm with other paras and learn everything that there is.
One of the things we really take pride in is that every time when we send an evaluation to our paras and say, tell us more about the things you want to learn, what sessions were great, what should be repeated, we specifically use that feedback to plan our next conference. So that's really helped us to make sure that we're making it a meaningful time for paras and really working on the types of things that they want to learn more about.
I think it's great for learning how to deal with kids, especially like when you're new and you don't know what you're doing and you come to these and it gives you great resources. Like today I picked all behavioral things because that's what I'm dealing with this year, so I love that there was something that's focused on that.
I like the variety of the topics that they're presenting. I notice it's time they're offering more options for kind of some self-care options, and sometimes we need that just as much as any other professional who's in a people-oriented profession.
Oh, I like them. I like them to get together with all the other paras and just to learn new information, and it's a lot of fun.
There's just so much different advice that you get from other people and you learn from them. So especially a lot of the paras that have been here for a long time that have very great advice and a lot of experience working with children, it really helps.
If you're a para here in Papillion-La Vista Community Schools, you're going to be valued, and we appreciate what you do, and helping you learn and continue to grow as a para is important to us because we know that you're somebody that makes a big difference to students.